Hi, my name is Nadia. Today I'll show you how to work background knitting for this patch. The first my step was to crochet this square and place it face down to my cushion. I pinned my square using regular pins. Then I need to decide I've crocheted this lovely flower and place it face down. Then I need to decide which exactly way I wanted to have it. Oh, this way. After that I need to pin it, and the important thing is to place it face down. Why face down? I'll show you on the glue. The next step will be to join the yarn. Actually, you can add the yarn at any point you wanna. You can start from here, or even between the petals. I'm gonna start with this point, and that's the reason I'm joining my yarn opposite this line. I'm adding it here and hide it in the middle of the work. I'm working couple of centimeters ahead and small step back, like now. Again, couple of centimeters ahead and small step back. I repeat it 2-3 times, and it's enough for the thread to be secured enough. Okay, ready to start. So I'm starting with it. So I need to enter my hook, grab yarn, and make the first loop. Now each line could be made with 2 chains here. I've made this line now, and now I'm gonna work this line. This line needs to be worked using double crochet. So here, look, lads, I entered my hook under 2 thread only, and this thread is very stretchable. So enter your hook under 2-3 threads every single time. Again, I'm gonna work now 2 and 2 chains, and then join here by double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4. I enter my hook opposite this line, working double crochet, and now I'm gonna pin my work to be sure which exact cell did I do. Now working next cell, two more chains. I've made these 2 more chains, and now I'll show you. I need on the way to join with the flower. I will enter my hook here in the petal and work double crochet, because I'm on this point now, and this line is double crochet length line. So I've joined 2 flower and continue to work net 2 chains here, double crochet, 2 chains, and then I'm gonna join it to the next point again. 2 chains, double crochet, now I need to estimate how away I'm from the point of joining. Here it's about 1-2 chains long. Yeah, the way of the joining to motif could be either by slip stitch or just pulling it through like I did now, or by single crochet. It's up to you. It's dependent on the how away you are from the motif at the moment. Now I'm working this double crochet, now I'm gonna work these 2 chains and then join by double crochet and continue to work these 2 chains. Here I need to enter my hook under 2 or 3 lots. That's the reason I placed my motif face down, because when I will join it, my point of joining will be not visible on the right side. I've made these 2 chains, now ready to make double crochet. And pin my work on the way. Again, now these 2 chains could be made, and then I will join it to petal this way. I'll continue now these 2 chains and double crochet, these 2 chains and double crochet. Again, I'm entering my hook on the 2 lots and 2 half of the stitches, not one. Pin my work, now here this petal is very close to my point where I am, so I'm gonna join it with single crochet now. And continue to make my net. 2 chains, I made these 2 chains now and work double crochet here. So the joining to flower is finished on this row, so I just continue to work this direction. 4 chains, double crochet, 4 chains, double crochet, I'm pinning it now. Now these 2 chains needs to be done and joined to the border. 1, 2. Here I turn my work to be handy for me. I made 3 chains to reach from this point to this one. I placed this chain, 3 chains above my square, and they are not visible now. That's one more reason to place all my stuff before I started face down. Turning it and continue to work. So 2 chains are done, 2 more chains, and double crochet under this chain. Four more chains, and now I will be working this now I will be working this double crochet two chains and join to the flower. I need to join it in this point to the flower. That's the reason I entering my hook exactly in this place. Grab the thread and pull it through. Lovely. Now I need to reach this point. I will start from the next round and I'll be working this way. So I will make few chains as much as I needed to reach to this point. 3-4 chains is enough. Now I can pin my work and continue to work, starting with double crochet. Again, I need to work 4 chains and work 1 more double crochet. Two chains, join to square, join here in this point, grab my thread, pull it through, and again I need to make 3 chains to reach this point and start the new row. When I finish this row, I join to the flower, make some few chains to reach this point, make these lots, make few chains to reach this point, and start the next row. And this way I'll be working, covering all net. Hopefully you are familiar now with how to make the background netting. Thank you for watching and bye for today.